Hey guys, and welcome back to the Nitro Learning Python course. And so far, we have learned about what functions do and using the return keyword. So today, we're going to learn about something cool called args that can help us write functions easily. So what is args? So args is something that is an infinite positional argument. Basically, when you pass args into a function, it allows no limits for the input. So it is basically a tuple in the background. So some use cases for this are a sum function. So if you create a sum function, you won't have to create a separate sum function for 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 4 numbers. You can just create one with args. So now, why don't we go and actually see this in use? So, as you can see at the top, we have a mySum function, right? So this is just for 2. So now, let's run this. So now, let me just make sure it's saved first, then I'll run it. So if we run it, we get an error. That's because we have 1, 2, 3. But the function mySum only takes 2 arguments, so it says return a plus b. That is a problem. So let's say that we make one with 6 arguments and call it myBetterSum. This has A, B, C, D, E, F. Hopefully that can solve our problem, right? So now let's save this and see that if we just only pass 2 arguments, hopefully that'll work, right? Then when we run it, we get an error because we only have 2, but it's expecting 6. That's a problem. So what we do is we use args. So we can just say, we can define a function. In this case it's called coolest sum, and then afterwards we can just say return sum of args. So then after that, if we print the coolest sum, so let's first save it and then we'll print the coolest sum. If we do this, we get 15. Now let's add some more numbers. And now let's try it again. Now when we add more numbers, it works again. So just a quick note about this args. It's generally convention to name it args, but you could actually name it whatever you want. So we could actually call it arg if we wanted to. And if we were to run it, we would get the exact same thing. So that is args. They're very useful, and I really hope you learned something. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe and share it with your friends. As always, this was Nitro Learn.